India, a country where you'll find the most in everything, and people who make the most of everything. A country that refuses to settle, driven by an innate desire to get the best the world can offer. Where adventure flows from the mighty peaks to the serene rivers. It resides in the invincible sky-high mountains, or grooves to the beats of the toll, taking you to the center of this beautiful phenomenon that takes pride in conquering the invincible and always points to adventure no matter where you are. The flag bearer of all things legendary, an unforgettable might, advancing with grace into trails unknown, and setting standards high like these palm-riddled skies. What unites the diversity of India is the shared spirit of freedom and adventure. And it's the same spirit that also powers the Jeep MERIDIAN.
Hello everyone. India is a vast country, diverse and special to us. So we wanted to offer it an SUV that would embody the expectations of our customers. The Jeep MERIDIAN embodies our customers' expectation. Unique, refined, another Jeep SUV completely made in India, developed specifically for the Indian customer. Our world-class engineers and designers have delivered a sophisticated SUV that enhances the capability, desirability, and adventurous spirit that Jeep is famous for. Jeep's journeys in India has been nothing short of legendary, and we are so excited to introduce our new legend, the Jeep MERIDIAN, to our family of more than 60,000 Jeep owners in India.
From performance to looks and comfort, to off-roading driving prowess, the Jeep MERIDIAN is truly unmatched in its category. We tested this SUV on every kind of terrain India has to offer by taking it on a challenging journey from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. I am proud to say the Jeep MERIDIAN performed flawlessly. For over 80 years, Jeep has inspired many to explore in search of exciting destination, making memories that last a lifetime. The Jeep MERIDIAN will only continue this special custom.
Jeep MERIDIAN, a completely made in India SUV, needed a name that captures the best of India, underscores its relevance to the nation and the uniqueness of the concept. So we decided to look at what unites our country. That's when we discovered MERIDIAN 77 East, which runs down the whole length of India. Just like the MERIDIAN 77, which connects different states of our country, the Jeep MERIDIAN captures the essence of India, connecting people to their desire to go anywhere and do anything.
Wrapped in this custom camouflage design, we took the Jeep MERIDIAN on a journey across the country, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and put it to the test against a variety of terrain and weather conditions. The Jeep MERIDIAN made its way through the most difficult challenges on Indian terrain in the most elegant way possible. As adventurers, we're always on a quest to get the most out of life. And that's exactly what the Jeep MERIDIAN will help you achieve. Not just more, but the most from every adventure.
Darling, where are you?
Just out for a swim.